Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, how's this for the weather roller coaster ride? We should warm to the lower 50s tomorrow afternoon, only to have wind chills close to zero by Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So real big changes next 48 hours. Let's take a look outside. Under partly to mostly cloudy skies, it's a dry, chilly night. I mean, not much going on, at least not yet. I don't see any precipitation until daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures hovering at around the freezing mark, down to 29 at Smithfield, 32 Providence, mid-30s along the coastline, New Bedford at 27. Now, temperatures will eventually inch up a little bit during the overnight, but they'll be harder to warm up, at least initially, in the northwest corner of the state, holding there freezing for a little while towards daybreak. And with a little bit of either mist, drizzle, or some light showers coming down, and the ground still cold, there'll be a little bit of icing early tomorrow morning, north and west of Providence. Smithfield just below freezing right now, coming in at 30. So we've got a wet Tuesday. We're not talking about snow shovels and plows. It's mainly rain, and watching for that icy mixture very early in the morning, north and west of the city. And as mild as it gets tomorrow afternoon, actually one of the coldest days of the season on the way for Wednesday, coupled with wind of 40 to 45 miles per hour. So we're talking about wind chills in the single digits Wednesday night, bitterly cold, daytime highs only in the 20s, and there could even be a brief snow squall sunrise Wednesday morning with the arrival of a strong cold front. And then that sets up very cold weather Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. As far as snow chances, a brief snow squall daybreak Wednesday, but otherwise a sunny day. And keeping an eye on Friday evening, Friday night. We'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. Meanwhile, clouds on the increase here in southern New England. See some precipitation through upstate New York. But the storm system that we're watching is actually two of them across the Great Lakes. Both will merge into one storm and pass into northern New England. That kind of a storm track is great for ski country in northern New England as far as accumulating snow. But here, it'll tend to draw in on milder air to the south, and that'll work in for tomorrow afternoon. So even though we hold on to the cold early tomorrow morning, the milder air takes over, and why this is primarily a rain situation, which at times will be heavy by noontime. Watch the timestamp right here. Clouds are on the increase. It's right around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. See the colors of white, pink, and blue indicating kind of a frozen mixture early north and west of Providence for a few hours, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then look how rapidly the temperatures go up. The rain starts to expand, especially during the afternoon. This is heavy rain and some downpours. Most of it's out of here by the evening commute as some drier air comes in later tomorrow evening with temperatures in the 30s. So this is the situation or the area that we're watching closely during the pre-dawn hours. Areas shaded in pink for a few hours, that brief icy mixture. Tomorrow morning, it's light rain showers otherwise with a gradual warming trend. So by the afternoon hours, we are topping out in the lower 50s. Here's your 7-day Futurecast. Here comes the sharply colder, very windy weather on Wednesday, dry Thursday. Going to watch for some snow, light snow Friday evening, Friday night. Weekend looks dry both Saturday and Sunday, and cold with temps in the middle 30s. So Foster, Gloucester, Pasco, Harrisville, be careful early in the morning. You can download the Channel 12 weather app on your smartphone and on your tablets as well. The net result is going to be mainly a rain situation tomorrow.
All right. You know, this time of year, so many people doing wonderful things for those who are less fortunate. We've seen